Hey girls, welcome to your new home. Hey cheeky girl. Ah, yeah. So you want to go outside? God, you look rough. Like the morning after. Know how that feels sometimes. Yes, me gal. Nosy gal. There you go, girls. Isn't it nice? You're all going to be called chicken, because that's easy. There you go. You'll still be able to go outside. You're going to see snow later.